So, you're ready to build your Shopify store, but the question is, what theme is best for you? With over 100 options on the Shopify Theme Store, it can be difficult to determine what theme to pick for your store. Today, I'm going to show you my top 3 picks on the Shopify Theme Store. Let's jump into it. So what is a Shopify theme? Well, simply a theme allows you to quickly and easily create a look and feel and built-in functionality on your Shopify store just through installing a theme. And the most important thing when you're looking through different themes on the Shopify store is really 3 different pages. You want to review the home page and what it looks like and what the built-in functionality is. You want to look at your collection pages and what it again looks like and what the functionality is. And lastly, most importantly, you want to look at the product pages and see how that product page is laid out and again, what the built-in features are. So I'm going to walk you through the 3 themes that I recommend, and we're going to go through in detail the home pages, the collection pages, and the product pages. So the first theme we're going to review is Dawn, and it's one of the most popular free themes on the Shopify App Store, and that's for good reason. Dawn is a very minimalistic theme, it's a very light theme, and it really puts a strong focus on your brand through your brand's imagery and your brand's products. So as you can see here, the basic theme page will go through a lot of the features. You can scroll down and get into more details on the specific features. You can even jump in here and see the reviews. But really what we want to do is jump into the demo store to really try to see what this could potentially look like for your brand. So as you can see here, we have a big header image. We're getting straight into the products, which can be extremely beneficial. Really, again, a minimalistic design, strong focus on brand imagery. Now we're getting into the collection section. So for this specific example store, we have bags, shoes, etc. We have the option for video, which is great. And then again, we want to review this not only from a desktop point of view, but from a mobile point of view. And this is a responsive website, so clearly it's very similar to the desktop version. So after this, we're going to hop into the collection pages, and the easiest way to get there for a lot of these is just to go into this specific section, and in this case we're going to go to shop all. And again, we're very minimalistic. It's just showcasing all the different products within the collection. This will vary by store. And then lastly, we're going to want to go into the product page. So as you can see from the desktop version, very simple, clean. It's showcasing all the product images, so you don't have to scroll through them. Obviously, the right-hand side staying static, so you always have that name, the price, and the add to cart, buy it now button, which is a really great feature. And then some more information below. Again, we're going to want to review this from a mobile standpoint. And yeah, again, we have a responsive design. The only difference here is we have to scroll through the images. And one thing I don't necessarily love about this specific theme is the add to cart and buy it now button is below the fold, so you actually have to scroll to be able to get to that section, which isn't ideal. But again, we have a very clean theme here that we can tailor to specifically what we're looking for. So overall, Dawn is a great option if you're looking to get started. You have great brand imagery, you have great brand photographs for your different products and your different categories, and for your homepage. Dawn can be a great option for you if you're looking for that. So the next theme I wanted to get into is Impulse. And the reason I picked Impulse is because if you're a brand that has a bunch of SKUs, let's say 30, 40, 50 SKUs, Impulse can be really a great option for you because different themes work for different amount of SKUs, and Impulse is definitely better for brands that have a larger catalog. So again, here we have the price point. This is not a free theme. But it does go into the different features here. So we have different translation options, a store locator, age verifier, countdown timer, color swatches. We can get into the further details here on the features. There's a full list right here. And again, we can get into the reviews. We have 95% positive, which is tremendous. But most importantly, we'll want to get into the demo store. And keep in mind, some of these demo stores will actually offer different versions. So you can go in here above and click into the different versions for the different example stores to kind of show how much you can adapt these themes to your own store. I'm going to click bold here. This showcases, we have a header option with video, which is great. We really can, the functionality here is tremendous. We're getting now into the multiple different product options and say some more information, but the visuals are really strong on this for a theme that has multiple SKUs. This is really a great option. So now that we got into that, again, we're going to want to go into the category pages. So maybe we'll just be able to click bikes here. And now we're getting into, we have trail bikes, enduro bikes, downhill bikes. And this is really a great example of the collection page and how you can showcase your products in different collections. And let's lastly get into a product page. Again, this is a very, very nice, clean example. We have a great product image on the right, all the important information over here, name, size, add to cart, buy it now, more product information below. And now we want to get into a mobile view, which is obviously important. We have the product front and center, which is great. Information lower. Again, we have the add to cart, buy it now below the fold, which isn't ideal, but this seems like a responsive design. So we're clearly getting all the same information from desktop into mobile. We got a nice review section here, which is great. More product information lower down. So as you can see, regardless of the theme styles that you pick, say we go to modern here, this is more of a clothing brand. And again, we're showing the different sections here. This is really a great option for a brand that has a ton of SKUs. As you can see here, we're really getting into a lot of information in the category collection pages. And then these product pages are really detailed and provide a lot of features and benefits that you may look for with a larger catalog. So the last theme I wanted to show you is Launch, and I picked this theme specifically because it really assists those brands that are a single product brand. Whether you're selling a product or even a software, not a lot of themes on the theme store tailor to single product stores, but Launch does. So I wanted to go over this if that maybe is an option that you're looking for. And again, we have a price point here. This is not a free theme, but it shows you your basic features, store locator, age verifier, sticky header. And again, we get into more features down below, the full features. Again, some reviews, 69 positive reviews, 87% positive reviews out of 69 reviews. And then again, most importantly, we want to get into the demo store. We do have different theme styles here. We're going to stick with this one. You can see we have a nice header here with some nice visuals. And it's really immediately getting into the specific product, right? Getting into the tech specs, showing a video explaining how it works, all the additional features, some testimonials, and some news about the product. Really what we're showcasing here is this is just focusing on a single product, which could be a great option for you. So obviously, because this is a single product, we're not going to have a collection page, but we do have a product page. So obviously we can see here the product page is very clean, very simple, focusing mainly on the product with our information on the right hand side. We're going to want to jump into a mobile view. Again, product front and center, pricing information right there, the different options, whether you want a single pack or a 3-pack, your add to cart and buy it now right below, which is pretty much consistent with what we've been seeing. And again, this is a pretty responsive design like the others. So we have all of the same information on desktop as we do on mobile. But the main focus here really is on the homepage and how we're really showcasing how this is focused on a single product, whether it's a product that you sell, digital product, software, or a physical product, this theme is really tailored to those that are selling just one product. So in conclusion, obviously there's over 100 options for you on the Shopify Theme Store, but really what you want to focus on when you're going to try to find a theme that works for you is how many SKUs do you have, what kind of design are you looking for, and what kind of functionality are you looking for? And if you answer those 3 questions, really you can start reviewing some of these themes and deciding whether that theme can accommodate your specific store. And additionally, once you get into a theme that does accommodate you, you really want to focus on the homepage, the collection pages, and the product pages, because these are the 3 pages that are really the most important to a consumer. So take some of these tips, take some of these tricks, go and review themes on the Shopify Theme Store, find one that works for you, and go and grow your Shopify.